this disease of mucus sangrihini, neither the bowels are cleared properly. It is never cleared in one go. Twice, thrice, one has to go to the toilet. Maximum people go 2 to 3 times to the toilet because mucus forms. Sangrihini. Then when this mucus remains for a longer period, then acidity starts forming. Production of acid starts increasing. When more acid is produced, then it makes a wound inside the intestine. The same becomes ulcer. According to a survey on various diseases, recognized institutions, agencies conduct survey. In India, when peptic ulcers survey was done, it was found of the entire population, 10% people sometime or the other, they suffered from ulcer. What a huge problem. These smaller diseases, even constipation in the whole world, about 14.5% people. And if the constipation is properly defined, that is every individual stomach is completely healthy, you'll rarely find such a person. Then every second person will be having stomach ailment. These problems of stomach, from these develops other diseases. If the stomach is healthy, no disease can ever occur. And there is no medicine to make the stomach healthy. There's only one medicine. And its name is Kapalabhati. Do Kapalabhati and all stomach ailments will become alright. There'll be no obesity, no diabetes, there'll be no constipation, there'll be no ulcer, there'll be no peptic ulcer, there'll be no acidity and neither gas. And there'll be no piles, there'll be no problem of fissure, fistula. These are cured because of Kapalabhati, that's why I say it. We have done a special program on constipation. Today, we'll tell you specially on the problem of ulcer. Ulcer is related with acidity, hyperacidity, acidity, Jeerna Amla Pitta, mucus sangrihini, and Jeerna sangrihini. That is, once someone suffers from ulcerative colitis, then man thinks now it's incurable. And then in some cases one bleeds while passing stools, initially mucus, then blood. 5 times, 10 times bleeds during the day. Then he has to take steroids. And when even steroids do not give any relief, then man cries out, "Oh Lord, take me away." It is terrible. Stomach disease. Not that it is cancer, but this has made him feel terrible. There is a complete solution in yoga for this. What you should do? First of all, you'll have to do pranayam. 7 asanas, 7 pranayams and 7 light exercises. We give you this complete yoga package. You'll have to do them. We'll demonstrate it once for you. But along with few precautions. If there is ulcer problem, stop alcohol, stop non-veg food, sour, fried, hot things you should avoid. Acid formation has increased. There is ulcer problem, acidity. Stop having even tender coconut. Coconut causes acidity, doesn't remove it. One believes it is cold. Rice causes acidity, doesn't eliminate. Therefore, you'll have to stop rice if acidity is acute. Rice is a very good food. But rice causes harm in acidity. Tender coconut causes harm in acidity. Curds, buttermilk causes harm in acidity. Drink cold milk, warmed and cooled. This milk will be good for you. Don't have milk cooled in fridge either. These eatables in fridge, with these two, cancer and other problems are growing. Avoid these two. Pollution, smoke, this tobacco, all these things do cause harm. At the same time, eatables kept in fridge and repeatedly warming them, cooling them, warming them, cooling them, this causes stomach diseases and cancer diseases, ulcer problems develop. As I was telling you, make a few changes in your diet. Make changes in your eating and drinking. Your problem of ulcer, mucus, problem of sangrihini will become alright. Drink milk, and that too cow's milk. Cow's milk never causes acidity. Drinking buffalo's milk, men have become like buffaloes. Intelligence of a buffalo, body like buffaloes. I know buffalo is also an animal. One should also drink its milk. If its milk is not available in the country, then milk will be in short supply. But cow's milk is excellent, and sick people should only drink cow's milk. And those who do not want to fall sick, they should drink cow's milk only. And if you want to make your intellect pure, virtuous, they should drink only cow's milk. There will be no heart problem, cholesterol won't increase,